Today we'll be showing you guys how to replace the handlebar assembly on your Air 2023. So for this repair, all you're gonna need is a 4mm Allen key and you should be good to go. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and loosen up our drum brake and the brake line. Now, we don't have to go ahead and loosen it all the way, but just enough so that we could remove the brake line from our brake lever. All right, so now we'll go ahead with removing our brake line. And now we'll remove our handlebar assembly screws. In total, there are 6 screws that you'll have to remove. Next, we'll just go ahead and remove our handlebar assembly and unplug our comm cable. Now we'll go ahead and put our old handlebar assembly to the side and get our new one. First, we'll plug back in our communication cable and stuff some of the wiring down into the stem. Now, we'll put the handlebar assembly back on the stem and we'll start putting our screws back on. So if you find that your screw holes aren't lining up too well, you can just go ahead and push down on the top of the handlebar assembly and it should line up perfectly. Now we'll go ahead and reinstall our brake line to our brake lever. Next, we'll go back down to our drum brake and tighten it up. When tightening up your brake, you are gonna wanna go and push your levers to make sure that you're not over tightening it and that it's as tight as you want it to be. And that is perfect. That's how you replace the handlebar assembly on your Air 2023.